talking to the camera without the mic. So this is my voice here. It's a little windy today too, so I don't know if it's picking up my full voice or not. And now I'm gonna go get my microphone. And then this is my voice here when I'm using the microphone, and it is a little bit windy still out here. Tester 2, hello, hello. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is Malia. Welcome to another video. This is my tester vlog for my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. I have the face tracking detection thing on right now. So I'm like, let me move over here. Whoa, this is the real reaction. I haven't actually used the face detection thing yet because I was watching other people's reviews of this camera and someone said to not keep it on if you're not like moving around a lot. Like, I don't know, there was some reason behind it, so I haven't turned this on yet, but my camera was like all the way like down here to start, and then I was standing up and then it moved up. Oh my god, sorry, this is just so cool. Yeah, this is my tester vlog for this new camera that I got. I am loving this camera so far. It's just so cool and like different and unique. Like if I close this door right here, oh my gosh. Oh, did you see what's in my shower? So right now I am doing my tester vlog for today, and I did want to just do like a normal vlog just using this camera. It is 12:42 p.m. So I need to get my day moving. I definitely started it a lot later, but had a little bit of a late night last night. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna be getting ready for right now. I'm just gonna do some skincare, brush my teeth. I do have a hot yoga class at 3 o'clock, and I do want to get there early. I may go to dinner with my mom. I'm not too sure about that because we may do dinner tonight or tomorrow. I just wanted to go to a bar with my friends. So I don't really know what I'm going to do. I have a lot of different plans I want to get done, but all I know is that I actually have to get ready first to even accomplish any of these things that are on my list. So let's get the day started. Done, teeth are brushed. I feel better. I already feel so much better. Okay, so this yoga class starts at 3. It's 1 o'clock right now. I said that I'm gonna try to get there early. I'm gonna see how far away this yoga class is because I think I'm just gonna get changed for the yoga class right now, get all of the sand off of my yoga mat. I did a sunrise Pilates class in Chicago this summer, and I have a whole video on that, and it was fun. It was magical, it was amazing, but there is sand all on my yoga mat and I have not been able to get it out. It's November. It is November right now. I have not been able to get this out since July. I've been talking about ClassPass to everyone recently. It's this app that you can use to try out different workouts, and each of the memberships are different because it depends on how many credits that you're doing. For right now, I'm just doing the free trial of the ClassPass for 2 weeks. And my 2-week trial ends tomorrow, and I really like it. I've done hot yoga classes, boxing classes. I would have done a Pilates class, but I got sick last week. So last week was like a little iffy with the workout classes, but I just love the whole concept of ClassPass with trying different workouts. You can go to the gym if you want to, just for like a normal workout. You can do a Pilates class, yoga, bar, cycling, Zumba. They say boxing, martial arts, like there's so many different things to try. And that's just one aspect of ClassPass. You can also get facials, go to saunas, like there's so many other things you can do, but I don't know the features yet for that because I have to unlock them, but I have to be a main member to unlock those extra features since I'm just like on the trial run for right now. But I'm just loving the whole idea of ClassPass. So that is still what I'm using for today, and I'm trying out a new yoga studio, and it's a little bit out, like, it's not out of the way, but it's further than the other one that I tried because the other one is literally like a minute from my house, and I really like that yoga studio. Oh my god. I'm over here like, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this. I haven't eaten anything all day, and it's 1 o'clock. Okay. Well, we're gonna make a smoothie, I think. Should I make a smoothie? I got a new blender for my birthday, and I should unbox it and everything. You know what? Let's make a smoothie. I haven't had a smoothie in a minute, so I'm excited. Let's do this. Ooh. I haven't had a smoothie in so long.
Good smooth smoothie.
Mm-hmm. I just finished that hot yoga class. My gosh, I feel disgusting. I've done a lot of different workouts, a lot of different sports, and after a yoga class, I never feel like that. Oh, I feel really good. I feel more relaxed, and I'm like, okay, that was nice, but not like I'm ready to take on the day. I'm gonna keep up with taking the yoga classes to see if I like it. Because, when you're trying something new, you may not like it right away. I don't know what it is that I don't like about yoga or like hot yoga. I don't know what it is. I just never feel like accomplished after a class versus when I had my boxing class on Friday, first boxing class ever. I felt so good after that class. I didn't know what I was doing half the time. I was doing easier movements. I was still sweating. I was still getting a good workout in, but I felt really good after the class. After a yoga class, I just don't have that same feeling. But one thing I was realizing on my drive home is that I don't feel strong in a yoga class. I feel very weak. And I know it takes practice, it takes control, it takes a lot. So I am going to still continue the yoga classes until the end of the year just to see if I do actually like it. Maybe I just need some more practice. Maybe I'm just not as comfortable with it because I haven't tried it as much. I don't know what it is. But I just felt like a little off. And this is my second class that I've taken. And I tried a different studio for today. Both of the studios were both really good, really nice teachers as well. She even had like a whole bowl of fruit and popsicles for everyone after the class. I didn't take any because I'm like, I gotta go to dinner. But yeah, I don't know. I just felt very meh today. Also, I could not record in there. I was going to in the beginning, and then I felt really awkward. It just was not the vibe to record myself. But everyone's kind of like meditating in their space, and I don't want to be like, boop, let me put a camera on. So that was my little workout that I did for today. I'm so glad that I went. I really wanted to cancel. I really did not want to go today. I just wanted to relax, but I've been relaxing a lot, especially because I was sick last week. I've been relaxing, so I'm like, let's get some movement. I want to be active, want to keep doing some new things. But I'm glad I went. I think I'm going to try a Pilates class next, because the one time I took a Pilates class, I was like, this is really fun. And I really liked it. And I felt like it was a mix of yoga and like core strength and like a little bit of weights. Like, I love that it was kind of a mix of everything. So I may try to sign up for a class for next week, but that's it for the workout for today. I'm now going to go shower because I'm disgusting. I'm sitting on my towel right now. I wiped off the front part of my body because when I tell you I was dripping, I was looking around the room and I'm like, is no one else sweating like I am? My leggings were a whole different shade. I've never seen my leggings be this dark from sweat before. Ew. Anyways, I'm going to go shower. My mom and I are going to go get some apps and some drinks for tonight. But I may get more than apps because I'm so hungry. All I've had is that smoothie today, and it's 4 o'clock. It's 4:30. All I had was that smoothie. I will say, I was at IHOP at like 2 in the morning, so I did already eat a little bit then, but just like from yesterday and today, I just have not been eating a lot of food, so I want to make sure that I'm eating a lot. Man, I'm tired. You'll probably see me when we are at the restaurant for later. See you later. Got an espresso martini. I'm out with my friends. We got Yaz, Cardinals, and then Tony.
I should have asked her if my boys feel more confidence.
Okay guys, we are at another bar because they wanted to play pool. I don't know how to play.
Just call you when the moon is rising. I'm craving every moment with you. I can't just need you when the tides are turning. I cherish every second with you. I've got to hold on to your heart every day of the week, every week of the year. I've got to rewind and restart till you get what you need, till you get all of me. Yeah, you get all of me, baby, I give you all of me. Please take what you want from me. Ooh, ooh, yeah, you get all of me, baby, I give you all of me. Please take what you want from me. Ooh, ooh, all of me. Ooh, ooh, all of me. Ooh, ooh, all of me. Baby, I give you all of me. Please take what you want from me.
Lost the first pool game. I don't know how to play pool. We ordered some drinks. Carlos's brother had to get us some shots. God bless us. Look at this. He wants us to take these shots. Vodka. Someone send help, please. I ordered a Long Island. That's still a rough choice, but they're playing another game of pool. Oh wait, I think I'm playing pool too.